found this glitter face mask peel off gel at Family Dollar for $1, y'all. They also had a sprinkles mask, a mermaid mask, and something else, but I took pictures, so I will try to insert pictures in this video so I can show y'all what else I found. And then when I try the mask out, I will also record that as well. But yeah, I had to share this. I couldn't believe I found a glitter mask for $1, and then even the sprinkles one was cute, and the mermaid one. So yeah, I'll put pictures in so y'all can see. But so cute. I can't wait to try it.